Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Shalimar Favi, 26 years old. I am 4 years graduate. My course is Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. My weight is 52 kg and my height is 149 centimeters. I am Catholic. I have 2 children. My eldest is 9-year-old boy and my youngest is 2-year-old girl. I have a local experience as nanny for 4 years. The house is 2-story and my main duty is to taking care of the 1-year-old boy, helping him to go to sleep, taking him bath, give him a proper meal, and tutor him a basic knowledge for kindergarten. And also my job is cleaning the whole house, washing dishes, washing the clothes, and cooking meal for my employer. I want to work abroad because I want to help my family and to support the school of my kids. My immediate plan to work in Hong Kong for 2 years and more. I hope you select me to be your helper. Thank you, Madam and Sir. See you soon.